Hey there, political enthusiasts. Today, let's dive into a rather intriguing situation playing out in southern Africa. We're talking about ZANU-PF's recent actions and their potential irony. So, here's the scoop. ZANU-PF members have been spotted in Botswana campaigning for the ruling Botswana Democratic Party, or BDP, but that's not all. They're also planning a pit stop in Namibia to campaign for SWAPO. Both Botswana and Namibia are heading to the polls in the next month or two. Now here's where it gets interesting. ZANU-PF claims they're there to teach these ruling parties about free and fair elections. Yep, you heard that right. The same ZANU-PF that's been under fire for alleged election rigging in their own backyard is now giving election advice. Irony much? Let's rewind a bit. ZANU-PF has been keeping a close eye on elections in neighboring countries like Mozambique, Namibia, and Botswana. They're worried about external influences on these elections, especially on what they call revolutionary parties. They even pointed to the ANC's recent loss of majority in South Africa as a concerning example. In response, ZANU-PF's top brass is coordinating with other former liberation movements in the region. The goal? To strategize against these perceived threats. Sounds like a plot straight out of a political thriller, right? But wait, there's more. Amidst this regional politicking, Zimbabwe is juggling its own internal challenges. Economic struggles, infrastructure issues, and social unrest are just the tip of the iceberg. Recently, several school heads were convicted for fund abuse, sparking outrage from teachers' unions. And then there's the dire need for road rehabilitation in Gwanda. The government is also urging caution about the Mpox situation. Meanwhile, Zimbabwe's President Mnangagwa expressed his condolences on the passing of Namibian President Hage Geingob. He acknowledged Geingob's impact as a Pan-Africanist and the strong ties he fostered between Zimbabwe and Namibia. African leaders, including South Africa's Ramaphosa and Tanzania's Suluhu, also paid tribute to Geingob, highlighting his contributions to Namibia's liberation and regional solidarity. So, here we are. ZANU-PF is out there, providing election advice while dealing with numerous internal issues and criticisms of their own election practices. It's a complex and, dare I say, ironic scenario. What do you think? Is ZANU-PF's involvement in these regional elections a genuine effort to support their allies, or is it a case of the pot calling the kettle black? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more insights and analysis on the ever-changing landscape of African politics. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Catch you next time.